What's up, worship boy Iconic? Back again with another video, and yes, we are in the sneaker room, back with a steel pickup. I know y'all gonna enjoy this pickup. I don't know if I talked about this shoe before or one of the shoes before in another video, but we gonna talk about it real quick. But before we get started with this video, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that notification bell so you can stay in tune with the reviews, the on feast, the sneaker vlog, the sneaker news, and everything else that comes with the channel. I thank y'all for watching, man. Not gonna waste more time, y'all. Let's get into it. So first things first, man, we gonna jump right into it. I don't know if I talked about this shoe at all. I did pick this shoe up last month or like the end of November for $60, and it is the Air Jordan 6 DMP. I had this shoe before when it came out. I did sell it and got rid of it. I got the opportunity to get this shoe. I wanted it when I bought it, but just was buying so much stuff. But I finally got it back, and for $60, bro, what a steal. It didn't come with a box, it didn't come with a hang tag, but I'm okay with that. The guy I got it from was reputable. He buys sneakers all the time. He even buys shoes in my store, so I'm not tripping. He was just cleaning out his closet. He said he doesn't wear these, so I'm like, yeah, bro, I'll take them off your hands. I will wear them. So such a dope shoe, such a dope pickup. $60 or $65, something like that. I just remember it being 60 to 65 bucks for a steel shoe like that. But this is not the shoe that is in the spotlight today, y'all. I got another shoe today. Shout out to my boy Danny, who I work with. Shout out to my boy Danny, who I work with. He definitely is the man. I'm gonna take very good care of these shoes. For $70, it was a steal, and I cannot get rid of these. They were 70 bucks. I can't get rid of them. And I'm gonna show y'all the box. Boom, y'all see the black with the gold hits. Some people are gonna already know what's going on, and some people that saw my Instagram is gonna know what's going on as well. Box label reads Air Jordan 11 Retro. Colorway is white, metallic gold, black, blanc, noir, or metallic. It is a size 11. And yeah, bro, I got these joints for the first time in the collection. It is in the collection for the first time. Here's the box label for y'all to see. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the lid because I want to keep this video under 5 minutes. Flip the lid, Byron. Flip the lid, Iconic. Wow. What a steal. What a steal. What a steal. And boom, we have it here, the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. I'm gonna call them the DMP because that's what they are to me. I know it doesn't have the mesh side, but we know what Jordan Brand was trying to do with this one. They still may give us a DMP one day, but we know what they was doing with this one. This is a DMP with leather uppers on it. Shout out to my boy Danny again. Such a beautiful shoe. Had to put this back, not even back in the collection because I didn't buy it when it came out, but I always wanted the DMP pack, y'all. Since I was a young fellow, I always wanted this pack specifically. I always wanted this pack. I have the DMP Raptors, wanted the Orlando joints to go with it, and a lot of other packs I wanted. I had the Old Love, New Love pack at one point, but this one right here I never got, which was the DMP pack with the DMP 6s. Was the one I always wanted was the DMP 6s and the DMP 11s. Now I know y'all gonna say this is not a DMP, bro. Go argue with your mama. I don't care about none of that. This is a DMP, bro, and I finally have it in my collection. And bro, if y'all would have told me I was gonna get DMP 6s and Air Jordan 11 Gratitude / DMPs for less than one pair of Jordans, like a retail pair in 2026, I'd be like, y'all lying. But I have it here. 60 bucks here, 70 bucks here. That's a total of, let's just say hypothetically I pay 65 or 70. Let's just say 130. $130 for both of these. I'm letting y'all know right now, Jordan Brand and Nike's not gonna drop any packs because people are broke. If y'all think they're gonna bring back DMP packs and all these special packs, no, bro. And if they do, it's gonna be dumb limited. Stop asking. There will not be any Jordan packs coming. We barely want to spend $215 or $230 on Jordan 11s when they come out, or Jordans in general. Stop. Listen, stop asking for Jordan packs. It's not gonna happen, bro. The economy cannot handle it, bro. They will be going on sales and sitting on shelves. It just won't happen. But yeah, man, that is it, man. I just wanted to show y'all my steel pickups. Again, I have the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude / DMP, and I have the Air Jordan 6 DMPs. I finally got the shoes that I've always wanted. I still want the actual casing to it, and I will find it one day. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the pickups of the Air Jordan 6 DMP and the Gratitude DMP, or the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude, or the DMP 11. What do y'all think? I personally think, this is a hot take, I think the Gratitude 11 is better than the DMP 11. Leather uppers is killing the mesh leather. Leather uppers is killing the mesh uppers all day long, y'all. All day long. It's killing it. High patent leather like the OG, whew, killing them, bro. But that's just me. Some purists is gonna say this is a Gratitude, not a DMP. Thank y'all for watching, man. Before y'all go, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that notification bell so you can stay in tune with the reviews, the home feast, the sneaker vlog, the sneaker news, and everything else that comes with the channel. I thank y'all for watching this short video. That is it for me. The future belongs to those who prepare today. Till tomorrow, y'all. Peace.